Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove movies or shows from your list on Netflix. So your list here, I mean your watch list. So here if you are using Netflix, you can see there is this my list feature where you can add the movies or show that you want to watch later. So here I'm going to click on see all to see all of my list, and to remove the movies or show from the list, what you need to do is there are two things. You can just swipe like this and there will be a trash icon. Just swipe and now the movies will be removed from your list. That's the first thing. That's the first way that you can do. The second one is you can just click on the movies and here uncheck the my list option. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.